Hello everyone. So I want to show you a couple of different ways that you can use the Dr. Hauschka mask to really boost your skin. So I've been using the hydrating mask at the moment. We have the heaters pumping on at work and of course the heaters on at home, and I was feeling like my skin was getting a little dry, and so I really wanted to boost it with some extra hydration and protection, and this is like the perfect one for that. So a couple of different ways you can use it of an evening. Cleanse your face. So for me, that's with the soothing cleansing milk. Apply the toner and then apply a really generous amount of the hydrating mask. Let that work its magic, and then just before bed, remove any excess so that your skin can breathe and go through its natural elimination process, which happens at night. Then in the morning, after cleansing, so again for me, that's with the cleansing cream, facial toner, eye balm, apply a thin layer of the hydrating mask, and then I'm applying my rose day cream on top and letting that absorb in, and then my tinted day cream mixed with foundation. They're my layers at the moment. So what's great about these masks is you don't have to remove them. So you can really use them as a treatment boost, say for a month, or as I said, as an extra little treatment before bed. Or if you have a special event that you're going to, it's really great to apply a generous amount on clean skin. Let that work in for say 20-30 minutes and then remove it and apply your makeup. Your skin will be really plump and gorgeous, which is awesome. So after this one, I'm going to switch to the firming mask, because who doesn't need a little extra firming? And if this sounds like something that you'd like to add to your skincare routine, but you're unsure of which one to choose or have questions, please get in contact and I'd be more than happy to help you. Bye for now.